everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply coupon on your Shein application. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Shein app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Shein app, you'll be on the home page. Here from the home page, you'll have to choose the product that you want to buy. Once you have chosen the product that you want to buy, simply tap on that product. And after that, here as you can see, there is a add to cart option that is located on the bottom. Tap on the add to cart option. And from here you can choose the designs and the color and the sizes and everything. And once you're done with choosing everything about your product, tap on add to cart. Once you have added the product to the cart, here you'll have to tap on the cart icon that is located on the top right hand side corner right beside the three dots. After that, tap on the product, and here you'll have to tap on checkout option that is located on the bottom right hand side corner. And once you have tapped on the checkout option, here you'll be directed towards a page where you'll have to choose the shipping method and payment method. From the payment method, you can get various options such as PayPal, credit, debit card, buy now, pay later, and so on. On the below, you'll get about two options. The first options being using the coupon and the second being using the gift card. Tap on the first option, that is use your coupons. Once you're done with that, you can use your preferred coupon. It varies from the amount of coupons that you have. Then from here, you can tap on continue and you can proceed to buy the product using your coupons. And just like that, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to use coupon in order to buy a product from your Shein application. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.